What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the first 5 truck parts / accessories that you should do to your Chevy Silverado. And these are ones that I've already done to my truck. So I'll show you guys in no particular order the first 5 parts that I would buy that cost under $500. Alright, so number 1 would be a level kit / lift kit. This truck is lifted 2 inches. I got a Moto, I believe it's like called a Moto Fab. I have to look it up. 2-inch spacer on the front, and then I have the leaf springs that I added on the back. Gave it an overall about a 2-inch lift, and it's going to allow me to fit 33-inch tires under here. I'm going to be getting those pretty soon. Plus it just makes the truck look a little bit better, a little bit different than the regular Silverado going down the street. I really like the little bit lifted look. Alright, number 2 would be my S&B cold air intake. I really like this mod to the truck. It's really easy. It costs about $330. Super easy install, and I definitely noticed a difference after I installed it. The sound of my truck improved greatly, and it seemed more responsive, like the pedal and the throttle. So as well as an increase in miles per gallon, I noticed that as well. So this is a super easy install that makes a big difference on the truck. Alright, the next part I would buy is a dual exhaust. Now this dual exhaust did cost $600, but you can get the same one but just an aluminized steel for about $500, a little bit under. So I really like the look that this dual exhaust provides. A little bit of improvement in performance, and I really like the sound. I'll show you guys right now. Alright, since we're at the rear of the vehicle, we can go to the next part that's on the list, and that would be these taillights. Now they're not name brand taillights. I got them off AmericanTruck.com. I'll leave a link to everything in this video down below. But these smoked out taillights really just change the look of the truck. Instead of having a bright red back there, you have a nice blacked out look, and they are DOT approved. I'll show you guys what they look like in the daytime. There they are. Really like the way they look when they're turned on. For about $300, you can change the way the back end of your truck looks. Alright, 5th on the list would be this Super Chips Flashpack Tuner. It's just a handheld tuner, but with this in combination with the cold air intake and the exhaust, it all really woke up my truck. Plus this only cost like $375, somewhere around there, and it made my truck a true V8, raised the RPM, and a bunch of other little things that I really enjoy, and I really think it's worth it to have this tuner. And along with the tuner, this thing acts as a code checker and gives you information about your vehicle. So everything that this tuner can do, I think it's worth it for a little under 400 bucks. Really enjoy playing with it as well. All right, guys, those were the 5 main parts under $500 that I would buy, but I'm going to throw in a couple extra accessories slash parts that you can buy for cheaper, like around $150. And one would be just WeatherTech mats. These WeatherTech mats do a really good job of keeping water from getting underneath here. These are like the little door seals, and I've already cleaned out underneath here once. There was a bunch of rocks and water and wet stuff, so this WeatherTech really helps with preserving your truck, along with these Husky liners for the rear fender well. They not only protect from getting rock chips, but since my truck was lifted 2 inches, there was a gap like right here, and it has a little thing that covers up that gap. These cost about $100. They look way better than just the stock like painted metal or whatever. So that's it, guys. Those are my top 5 parts slash accessories that I'd buy for your Chevy Silverado that are cost under $500. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give me a big like and subscribe down below. And that's all, guys. Hope you have a great day. Peace.